और एक्सक्यूज मी गाइस, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू आर गुड एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गुड, only because of you, only because of your lazy. I am here on Atalpur and it is JP Gangapur also. It is the line of Atalpur, and if you want to see that such type of beauty, you have to come on. Now it's right. You have to come on Ganga Path, that is JP Path. So if you want to be a part of my happiness, if you want to be a part of this nature, if you want to be a part of this beautiful sunrise, then you have to come on this path. Okay, and you also have to see that some type of pool, not pool, this is breeze. And what is such type of brilliant this. This view is fabulous. Guys, you have to see. क्या लिखा है भाई? My dream girl. No, not dream girl. दुल्हन ऐसी आपके ख्वाबों जैसी. Oh my gosh. If you want to buy jewelry for your loved one, you have to visit on this store.